Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with a super fun unboxing video for you today. But before we get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. Today we're going to unpack another LITE collection from Eureka Crystal Beads, and this is going to be another LITE version of a much beloved collection from Bronze Pony. This time it's the Stonehenge Ancient Ruins Beads collection in a LITE version. So this collection was originally released in 2023 and it was an absolute hit. So let's see what is inside. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are exclusive palettes of beads based on inspiration photos, and they are not a subscription. You just get whichever one you like. When it comes to our LITE collections, spelled LITE, they are scaled down, smaller, more focused and project-driven collections, and we try to make them as affordable as possible so you can get an inspired set of beads for a really affordable price. Alright, so that's the collection. Let me tidy it all up and discuss each product individually. And here we have our collection. So this is the inspiration photo of the original Stonehenge Ancient Ruins collection curated by Stephanie from Bronze Pony Beaded Jewelry. It's the same photo that we used for this one, for the LITE version of this collection. I really love it. It's quite simple, really. It's just a landscape with this magical, mystical, ancient place at sunset, and there's all of those colors at play here. There's greens, there's those like tealy, mossy greens. There's a lot of purple and a little bit of pink and some gold in that sky as well. So I think this is a really great choice of a picture, and we're really glad that we were able to use it again. In addition to that picture, you get list of all the products that are in the collection. But before you unfold that, you have a little inspirational paragraph that you can use to get your creative juices flowing before you start making the jewelry. And inside here, you will find all of the products numbered. So you can find the numbers on the products themselves and check which product is which. And later, if you like it, you can get more of it by entering those SKU numbers into the search bar at Eureka Crystal Beads. As I mentioned, LITE collections are a more focused and scaled down version of Eureka collections, so we can clearly see, I think, what this collection is focused about, because it's all about the palette of the greens and the purples and the earthy tones a little bit as well. And oh my gosh, the crystals. So why don't we break the pattern a little bit here, because we usually start with the seed beads, and let's start with those crystals because I simply cannot wait to show you all of those crystals together. Look at that amazing set that Stephanie from Bronze Pony composed for you in this collection. So you get 3 cushions in tanzanite. You get one that's 16 millimeters and 2 that are 12 millimeters. Then you get 4 rivolis. These are 12 millimeters, and they're in our, as always, best-selling color green sphinx. And it's kind of color changing a little bit from the lighter green through teal to even blue at some angles. So this is an amazing color. You get 4 of those rivolis. And then you get 6 of the 8 millimeter chatons. They are the ones with a flatter back. Look at how they all sparkle. It's amazing, and that's a lot of stones, so you can definitely make a lot of jewelry with them. You can make earrings, you can make a bracelet, and I know that there is a necklace that is absolutely amazing, especially with those cushion stones in here. So there are some designs already existing that you can make with this collection. So go check out Bronze Pony's YouTube channel and find them if you want to make beautiful things with those gorgeous Krakowski crystals. In addition to the stones, you get a lovely 4 millimeter bicone mix. These are Preciosa crystal bicones, and you get some in tanzanite, in emerald, in gold, and in this AB metallic coated blue as well. So they're going to look absolutely beautiful with everything else in the collection. Last but not least, in the crystal section, you get a whole pack of Eureka Basics faceted drops. They are quite large. That's 12 millimeters, and they are in this gorgeous green color that is similar to the color of drops that you got in the original collection, but this time they are vertically drilled and there's a lot more of them. So you can make something with a fringe or use them in a bracelet or a necklace, for example. And you get as many as 20 of them. All right, now let's talk about seed beads. So you get 2 tubes of Miyuki round seed beads, one in 11.0 and one in 15.0. The 11.0s are the Duracoat galvanized champagne color, which I know Stephanie loves, and I frankly love it too. It's this lovely warm pale gold, or is it cool actually? I don't know, but it's beautiful, kind of neutral really. And there's lots of designs with it as well. And for the 15.0s, they are dark topaz gold luster. So they're slightly see-through, slightly transparent, but they have this metallic sheen to them and they match very well with the 11.0s. Another important part of the seed bead section in this LITE collection is this custom mix of size 11 Miyuki Delica seed beads, and you get 3 colors in here that you can use all together to make a beautiful piece, or you can just pick and choose any one of these colors. And that's a 9 grams bag in total, so it's basically like a tube. It's more than a typical tube of Delicas. You just get them in a baggie like this. Then let's talk about Czech beads. So first up, you get a tube of nip bit beads in luster opaque green. And they have this kind of stone quality to them. This color is absolutely lovely. And you get this much. This is a whole tube of them. There are 2 whole beads in this kind of a little bit rounded triangle shape, I would say. And there's so much you can do with them. You wouldn't believe it. There's some designs on Bronze Pony's YouTube channel already, so go check them out. Meanwhile, here is the other Czech bead that you get, which is the 3mm fire polish in 2 colors. You get this lovely flax gold and this dark green. I really can't believe how well all of this fits together, like the greens with the purples. Really, really beautiful. And then finally, you have your findings and you get the bare minimum, I would say, the core essentials. So you get a clasp and earring findings. They are both gold plated. This is a beautiful toggle clasp and some reliable lever back ear wires to go with it as well. So you can make a necklace or a bracelet and a pair of earrings, or you can make your own clasp with the beads. And this is our mid-July 2025 LITE collection, the Stonehenge Ancient Ruins collection LITE, made in collaboration with Stephanie from Bronze Pony Beaded Jewelry. I hope you like this detailed unboxing, and I'm sure you'll love this collection just as much as we do here at Eureka. Remember that we only make our collections in a limited quantity, so if you like it, don't wait because it might just sell out. My personal highlights of this collection are this custom Delica mix, these new Eureka Basics faceted drop beads, and of course all of the Krakowski crystal stones in this mix custom prepared by Bronze Pony. You will find a link to this collection in the description down below, and in there, in case the collection is sold out, you will also find links to individual products separately. So go check that out. We are at eurekacrystalbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and see you in the next video. Bye!